Clients win big, ROI flies higher than ever, and satisfaction echoes in every result, all while Aubrey rises, transforming into the ultimate marketing superhero.
What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another banger experiment. I like to call these experiments because they're not tutorials. I'm just finding tools and I'm just testing them out to see if I like them or not. You saw that I tested out back then the new the Envato voice generator. And you saw what I did when I created an ad for my media marketing agency. So today we're going to test something else out. All right. So we're going to test out the video generator. Now I've created a couple ads using this video generator and I think it's pretty solid. So let's test it out. We're going to do a live experiment using myself as the image. So what you want to do first is you want to use an image. Let's go into the platform. Shout out to Envato. Let's jump into the platform real quick. Boom, here we are. Let's look at the menu here. They have their AI tools here first, right? So you can cycle through image generator, image edit, video gen, music gen. I hadn't tried that. I hadn't tried a couple of these, and voice gen. Today we're going to try out the video gen. Now, what I'm going to do is take an image of myself and see what I can, what can I create? Let's try it out. See if I can get a clean image of myself using my cell phone. Look at that cheesy smile. All right. Is it clean? Was it blurred? Ooh, it's cheesy. It is cheesy. I'm gonna try with them without smiling. All right. Upload this to myself. I'm gonna upload this to my Google Drive real quick. Should only take a couple seconds. All right, that's uploaded. And boom, there you have it. The drive is me. And we're gonna download the truck. Let me rock. Yeah, download. Now, let's go back into Envato, the voice gen. And you can see here, it's asking, if you go to the plus sign, it's asking image to video. And that's exactly what we need. We're going to go 9:16. We're going to go 9:16 because we want that vertical video because I used it. That's the blah. That's how I took the picture, right? So boom, we're going to go to upload. And where the freak is my image, bro? Like what? There we go. What do you mean? Select the what? Come on, bro. That's what you gotta love about iPhone. It's ass, bro. So annoying, man. Nevertheless, we still gonna cook. Okay, so boom. Here's the great image of me in a HEIC file format. Whatever. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill and keep working through it. All right, boom. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of myself, which is retarded, but it is what it is. Boom. Exit out. Exit. Now we're back. We're going to do it again. Here we go. So I'm just going to write a quick prompt. Now this thing has a prompt, something that can help you with your prompt. It says use AI to enhance my prompt to generate better results. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to try it out with the prompt enhancement. I'm trying to figure out what I want to say. I am a super successful digital marketer. Am at my computer generating great results for my clients. Sounds good. Now let's see if the AI enhancer can help me. Okay, bet. A vibrant, hyper-realistic video with a focus on modern digital success, golden hour sunlight, streaming through a large window in a stylish, minimalist office, a medium shot of a young, confident digital marketer, sharply dressed, sitting at a high-end computer, setting up multiple monitors, displaying charts, graphs, and social media dashboards, all with positive trending data. They are typing rapidly, occasionally glancing up with a satisfied smile. Subtle, energetic electronic music playing in the background. The camera slowly zooms in to highlight the focus, intensity on the face as they generate great results for the clients. That sounds like a dope prompt. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Now, this usually takes about a minute or two, maybe up to 5 minutes to actually generate the actual video. So we're gonna, take a chill pill while this happens. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, 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 blue. All right. 98%. We're at 98%. I'm excited to see what this thing's gonna look like. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, they maxed out this 5 minutes. Boom, there we go. Oh shit. Yo, that's crazy. Oh man. Yo, this is crazy. Look at me getting those results, baby. Yo, hey, this is crazy. Now, the only thing about it, I can't, or I don't know how. Check me out. Check me out, baby. This is insane. Yo, that looks exactly like me. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Hey, salute to Envato. Salute to Envato voice gen. Salute to Envato. Oh, all right. I'm in awe. Now let's take it a step further. Boom. Let's take it a little step further. So I'm going to download the video now. Now I'm going to head into the voice gen. Now I'm heading into voice gen, right? So I think I have a script that I can use. But honestly, I don't even know if I want to put anything on this. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what I have. I think I have something in the files. The only caveat is it's only 5 seconds, so it only generates about 5 seconds each video. Now, do I have five fingers? 2, 4, I got 5. All right, I got 5. And it has on my watch. I do have a watch like this. I don't know how it, nah, never mind. I'm tripping, I'm bugging. So the only thing about this is just so short, man. So short. You can see I've made a video for a couple ads, you know, pretty dope, right? Look at that, that is crazy. This is my sister's dog. Splitting image of my sister's dog. Even down to the demeanor. You know what? I just couldn't help myself. I'm gonna take this a step further. I'm gonna do another experiment where I type in an additional prompt to generate another part of the video so we can continue on with this type of reel that I want to create. Once I created that first video, I said I might as well keep going, right? So I added this. I stand up, they stand up, and a Superman type cape emerges from the back of his back as he transforms into a marketing superhero. Let's see what else. Can we get some help here? Hyper realistic, bright young man. Modern, the office is decorated with motivational posters and modern pieces, camera flow. In a burst of light and energy, a stylized animated Superman type cape emerges from his back. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, this is gonna be nasty. This is gonna be so dope. I couldn't help myself. I had to go back in and see if I can create another 5-second video as a continuation of the video that we just produced. I was just so blown away, man. I didn't want to stop. I wanted to keep going and see exactly how far we can push this thing. It's already at 80%, 91%, 93%. It's only been less than a minute. It's probably been like 30 seconds, maybe 20 seconds at that, if that. Let's go. I'm ready. 98%. We're holding at 98%. Here we go. Yo, this is dope, but the cape is supposed to be on my back, yo. That is crazy. Instead of a cape, Superman type animated, the camera allows his movement as the digital marketer stands up, determination in his eyes. In a burst of light and energy, a stylized animated Superman type uniform appears on his body. Let's try that. Let's see how the AI is going to help me. This is going to be dope. Let's try it again. Man, that was so fire though. The uniform came out of nowhere, man. My legs look crazy though. Oh shit, here we go. Damn, that was fast. Hey, yo. Yo. Boom. Wait, that's too close. Bam. Nah, this is nasty, bro. This is nasty, dog. Man, salute. Now, let's head over to ChatGPT to see if we can generate some type of voiceover script. Let's do that. Let's do it. All right, see if I can pick up my microphone. Hello. All right. So I don't know if you remember the reel. I like to talk to ChatGPT as it's like my personal assistant or my homie or my a professional assistant that helps me get stuff done. So I don't know if you remember the voiceover script that we wrote for SCPM Media. It was like a couple of weeks ago, but we're gonna do something similar to that. We're gonna create. I would like you to create a voiceover prompt or voiceover script that's going to last about 8 seconds. It's going to describe how great Aubrey Dunbar is at providing great ROI for his clients, for his digital marketing, social media marketing clients. The video, I'm going to describe the video that the voiceover is for. It'll be me sitting at a computer or a series of it would be me sitting at my desk, operating, typing on the keyboard heavy, busy work, but I transform into like some type of marketing superhero. So create a script that embodies everything that I just mentioned. 8-second script. Create 4 versions of it, or 4 variants. Thank you. Here we go. Version 1. Yeah, I guess you don't get much time with 8 seconds. From keyboard warrior to marketing superhero, Aubrey Dunbar delivers unstoppable ROI. From keyboard warrior to marketing superhero, Aubrey Dunbar delivers unstoppable ROI. Now, here's the thing. ChatGPT has been glitching out, leaving my prompts in here and stop. Hello. That was great. Those are great. Let's create some that are not ROI focused. Let's just talk about client satisfaction. Yeah, client satisfaction. Aubrey Dunbar, turning happy clients into lifelong fans, one campaign at a time. Lifelong fans is crazy. From strategy to results, Aubrey Dunbar keeps clients smiling every step of the way. Aubrey Dunbar making marketing stress-free and client satisfaction sky high. When clients want more than results, they call Aubrey Dunbar. Well, stop recording me, dog. When clients want more than results, they call Aubrey Dunbar for real peace of mind. I don't like those. I'm not feeling those. Can you help me out? I can't think of how we can make these prompts better or the script better. Let's do something. I don't like those. They seem cheesy, but can you try to freestyle a little and make the prompt funny yet professional? Give it a shot. Aubrey's clients sleep easy because he loses sleep making them happy. Clients say working with Aubrey feels like having a marketing wizard in the family. Man, it's still not superhero-esque. Let's make it more epic because I am transforming into a superhero in the video. I like the client satisfaction route, but let's make it more epic. Let's give some client satisfaction and ROI at the beginning of the script and give it that big epic bang at the end. Record-breaking results. Watch Aubrey level up like a true marketing hero. That's just dope, dog. It's dope. Clients win big, ROI flies high, and Aubrey rises as the ultimate marketing hero. Oh, I like that one. I'm gonna try this one. Boom. Let's go back to Envato Elementos. Voice gen. You haven't generated any voices yet. Oh, that's a lie, bro. What? Wait. Well, why don't you just say you deleted my shit? You know what I'm saying? Experiment 1. Whoa. No, sir. Let's go back. No, we didn't have Sarah. Who was it? Wyatt? Logan? David?
I'm David, and I'm dedicated to bringing the...
No, David, wasn't you.
I'm Logan, and I'm driven to code the...
I'm William, and I have a...
What was it? Blake?
I'm Blake, and nothing beats that feeling when a caller connects with my radio show. I'm Blake, and...
I think it was Blake that I used. Martin?
I'm Martin, and I believe the...
No, it definitely wasn't.
I'm Matt, and there's...
I think it was Blake. Let's try it out.
Clients win big, ROI flies high, and Aubrey rises as the ultimate marketing superhero.
Ooh. Now, the only thing about this is now I have to go to CapCut or something like that to piece this all together, which I don't mind, but it is what it is. Ice around my neck and it's so frozen. Right. Oh, this one did go 6 minutes. Wait.
Clients win big, ROI flies high, and Aubrey rises as the ultimate marketing superhero.
No, I could have got more out of it. Oh shit, what happened? Let's go 10 seconds. Oh no. Yo, I like, let's go. Clients win big, ROI flies high, higher than ever, and satisfaction echoes in every result. All while Aubrey rises, transforming into the ultimate marketing superhero your business never knew it needed. Damn, your business never knew it needed. I'm gonna change that to your business absolutely needs.
Clients win big, ROI flies higher than ever, and satisfaction echoes in every result. All while Aubrey rises, transforming into the ultimate marketing superhero your business absolutely needed.
Let's check it out.
Clients win big, ROI flies higher than ever, and satisfaction echoes in every result. All while Aubrey rises, transforming into the ultimate marketing superhero your business absolutely needed.
I know what to add at the end. You know I know what to add at the end. Let's see if something can help me out here. We got video generation. Go back to video gen. I only have 3 generations. Now that's a problem. Let's try this. Ooh, little mama, you so create a video outro with a call with a text overlay CTA contact SCPM media to schedule a call today and generate. Let's see what this does. Hopefully this is all we need. But honestly, it's not, because I'm gonna have to add some music.
Clients win big.
Love it, man. Love it. And I can't stop cheesing, dog. This is hard. I want to find music right now. Maybe we can find something that's hard. Yo, we might have some.
Clients win big.
Oh shit.
Clients win big.
Wow, that's too far down.
Big. ROI flies higher than ever. And clients win big. Clients win big. ROI flies higher than ever, and satisfaction echoes in every result, all while Aubrey rises, transforming into the ultimate marketing superhero your business absolutely needed.
Nah. That's hard. Final version, I don't have to go into another software.
Clients win big. ROI flies higher than ever. Big.
Yo, I'm good with the reel. I'm good with it. Final version, man. Nah, this is next level, dog. Next level. Yeah. Game changer. Let's go. As y'all can see, Envato Elements or Envato, the subscription is well worth it. It's well worth it, man. Oh man, this is a game changer for me. I can't believe I've just been sitting on all these tools and just chilling and not really taking advantage of them. But it is what it is. I love it. Let's go. Only thing is missing is a call out or a CTA, but it's all good. This is just for fun. Thank y'all. If y'all like the content that y'all seen, please hit the like and subscribe button, and also click the link in the description if you want to take advantage of my affiliate link for Envato Elements. You will not be disappointed. I am not disappointed. It's well worth the subscription. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm your guy, Aubrey Dunbar. See me in the next video. Check out my interviews with other entrepreneurs. And thank y'all. Peace out. Thank you. Peace. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed the show, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then most importantly, share.